Hi guys and welcome to Braids by Eva's channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to achieve these Diva braids, or some may call it the flip over Fulani braids. So let's get into it. You're going to start off by dividing the hair into two. So the bottom half is going to be knotless braids, individual braids, and then the cornrows will be at the top. Firstly, I'll be showing you how to do the bottom side. So I'll be showing you how to achieve the knotless braids and how to attach the curls to the knotless braids, and then we'll move on to the front. When it comes to the front section, you need to know how to do stitch braids. So I would strongly advise you to go and research how to do stitch braids on YouTube or any social media platform. Practice before you can do this style on any client, or practice on yourself before you try this on any client. So I'm not gonna, the front is not as detailed in this video. I will show you the pattern to achieve the flip over Fulani style, but I will not be going into much detail on how to do the stitch braid. So again, I strongly advise you to practice that. Here you can see me attaching the curls to the braiding hair. This curl is actually synthetic, it's not human hair. From asking my client, it actually did hold up pretty well. So if you want to achieve this style and you don't want to break the bank, I definitely advise you to get this curly hair. It's the deep wave version. If you can get any deep wave extension, it should be good. Don't get any other curl, because I've heard a lot of traumatic stories on it tangling. So this will be the best hair to get. I will try and find an alternative on Amazon and link it in the description box. If not, I'll link the name of the brand in the description box so you can get it yourself. But the hair did hold up pretty well, and I've used it on other clients after this one, and again, same review. This is how the back should look after you're done with your individual braids. It should look something like this, and then we'll move on to the front, which is where it gets a bit complicated. So on the sides, you're going to have 3 triangles like so, like how I'm showing you, and then you're going to have a crisscross stitch braid and then 2 cornrows, and then you're going to repeat that on the other side. I actually call this the illusion braid, because what you do on one side needs to reflect on the other side. So these triangles will have to be done on her other side of her head to create that illusion. But guys, I'll be showing you clips on it. For the rest of the video, I'm not going to be talking. I'm going to let you watch and learn. And if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below, and then I will try my best to answer them. If not, I can always create another video, because this is quite a popular style. I can create another video, a more detailed one if you want. Leave that again in the comments. Guys, like my video and actually subscribe to the channel. I feel like I've been stuck at 300. Guys, please take it out to 1k. These videos aren't easy to make, but here I am throwing out weekly. Okay, not weekly, but I'm quite consistent on this channel. So please subscribe and like, and I will see you in my next video.
I'm obsessed. What the hell? It looks so good.
Girl, we're not done. Let's get back to
I'm obsessed with the colour. I've never had this colour before.
That's why I said you've done like a very good job.
It matches perfect. What the fuck? I'm obsessed. I keep forgetting my colour needles. I was like, oh, shouldn't break. Oh my god. What the fuck?
It looks so good.
I am so glad I
look
picked
nice for your happy
you.
birthday. Your birthday, so.